What if you could launch a money-making hustle by this weekend? Here are 5 ways to start with zero cost. Hustle number 1, freelancing. Sell your skills online. Writing, design, coding. Secret formula, post 5 gigs tonight. Done is better than perfect.
Hustle 2, digital products. Create templates, planners, or checklists. Secret formula, use free Canva and list 3 products before bedtime.
Hustle 3, social media micro agency. DM 10 local businesses and offer 1 week free. At least 2 will say yes.
Hustle 4, tutoring. Teach what you know, math, music, languages. Secret formula, offer a free trial class in local Facebook groups.
Hustle 5, affiliate marketing. Share products you love, earn per sale. Secret formula, sign up free for Amazon Associates. Start with just 1 hustle this weekend to build momentum. Then stack another next month to multiply your income streams.
This weekend could change your financial future. Which hustle are you starting first? Comment below and let's grow together.